Hello everyone, this is a demo of the YouTube extension. So this is already on Rome Depot. Okay, so I search for YouTube and then I install it and then I get the config panel. And I can select it also here. It has all the shortcuts. Grab the title, add timestamp, set the speed, playback speed to normal, speed up, speed down, mute, volume up, volume down, play and pause, and backward, forward. And this one is new. So when you're typing and you cannot type as fast as the video, you want to go back to the timestamp of the current block, you can press this and jump there. And you can set anything as the short key, but for now I have Alt A and then you release and press the next one. So you should press Alt A, like Alt Tab. So whenever you press Alt Tab, for example, the Alt A presses like that, and then you release and press T, for example, here. But you can change it to anything. So some old video about this extension and some information about shortcuts in Mac. Yeah, so let's test it. Okay, so I have this YouTube video. I click on this, and the major update is that you can start you can control the video from anywhere. So for example, I'm here, I play it, I mute it, and I move forward. Okay, and I can stop it again and start timestamp. So this is my note, and then so I want to go back to the start of this timestamp. I can press this, so 116, right? So the key combination which I mentioned is new is Alt A and comma. So Alt A comma jumps back to this, and then each block can have only one timestamp. So if I press the timestamp short key again, so Alt A N, it's going to update the current timestamp to the new value. So for example, now it's 133. So if I click on this, it jumps to 137. Okay, so basically if you want to modify the timestamp as you go, you can do it. If you want to play back from the timestamp so that you can resume taking note, that's also doable. So let's stop it. And what else? Okay, and now you can use the block reference to play it. So if I click on this, it works. If I click on this, it works. If I go here and click on this, it works. Okay, we can control it from here. We can grab the title from here. So I need to play it. Okay. Yeah, so that's all doable. What else? Yeah, so that's mostly it. It depends on the shortcuts. So if you have key combinations which are easier than Alt A something, you can definitely set those as your short keys. But yeah, I think it's pretty flexible. Oh, and the other thing is that if the video is not there, so imagine that I stop this, I put it here, I close it, and then I click on this. It opens it up here and start playing it. So let's see if it works with the block reference. I click on this, it jumps to the correct place. Okay. Yeah, so basically it's more flexible comparing to the previous version, in which you needed to have all of the timestamps as children of the YouTube video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.